Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin kung ano yung energies for you ngayong New Moon in Pisces sa February 28, 2025 at 8:44 a.m. Philippine Time. So, itong reading na to, maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Capricorn rising. Although, pwede rin naman makaresonate dito yung mga Capricorn Sun or Capricorn Moon. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano yung inyong rising sign, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description, no? Tsaka sa pinned comment kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. So, okay. Capricorn, itong New Moon in Pisces is happening in your third house of communication. This is short distance travel. So, maaring, iba, may mga bagong learnings kayo, no? Maaring may magsisimula na bagong training, no? Kasi this has a meron siyang aspect sa Jupiter in your 6th house of your daily routine, your work. So, maaring merong project na mabubuo or magsisimula related sa trabaho nyo. And this is about improvement ng sarili mo, improvement ng skill set mo, ng knowledge mo, that will definitely kumbaga magbe-benefit dito yung iyong career, yung trabaho mo. So, yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong organization, like meron kang ayusin sa iyong schedule para to finally magkaroon ng direction yung task mo everyday. Kasi 'di ba, kapag meron kang schedule na sa oras na to, ito yung gagawin mo. So, kumbaga, ifa-follow mo siya para alam mo at the end of the day kung ano yung mga na-accomplish mo at kung ano yung hindi. So, syempre, pag na-accomplish mo yon, meron kang sense of strength sa sarili mo na, uy, nakaya kong tapusin yon, nakaya kong gawin yon. Okay? So, some of you naman, third house kasi is short distance travel. So, pwedeng merong new opportunity for you to travel to some places, local travels lang to, related sa work. So, pwedeng ikaw ay ipapadala sa ibang lugar, no? Like, for example, nasa probinsya ka, tapos papadala ka sa NCR sa Manila para mag-training that will improve your knowledge para sa benefit rin ng trabaho mo. Okay? This is also about your siblings. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bagong kapatid. Oo, kung may capacity pa mga anak yung mother mo. Or, this can also mean like, maaring merong bagong simula related sa kapatid mo, sa siblings mo. Or, can be a project sa inyo na magkakapatid. Okay, this can be home project, meron kayong aayusin sa bahay ninyo, or meron kang tulong na ibibigay sa kapatid mo, like can be resources or services. Halimbawa, tutulungan mo siya na mag-ayos ng sasakyan niya, o ganon. Yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong bagong kapitbahay. Oo. Some of you naman, can be a new car, no? Para sa iba sa inyo, merong makakabili kayo ng bagong sasakyan, or merong i-award na sasakyan sa inyo dahil yun ay parang company car, ganon. 'Di ba? May mga ganon nagpo-provide ng service car, service car. Oo, tama. Para sa mga employees nila. Okay, so you also have Neptune and North Node in your third house. I think mas nagiging attentive ka doon sa mga pangarap mo. You are more on studying yung nakikita ko sa inyo eh. Oo. You really want to improve your knowledge, your skills, especially your communication skills. Dahil alam mo na malaking tulong yan to improve your work, to improve your capabilities. What else? Patience. So, this is patience in yourself. Minsan kasi, gusto na agad natin ang resulta, no? But meron kasing kailangan pagdaanan na proseso ang isang bagay bago mo makita yung resulta niya. So patience will play a major part in your life ngayon pagdating sa mga projects mo or mga pangarap na binubuo mo. You also have emotional healing, so you're healing from your relationship can be, or maaring you are finally facing your emotions, your feelings. Kasi minsan may tendency na parang dinidisregard mo yung nararamdaman mo, but actually if you will reassess and meditate and have self-reflection, you will realize na marami ka palang hindi pre-process na emotions sa sarili mo. That's why may mga pagkakataon na nire-release mo yung frustration mo sa ibang bagay, nagiging irritable ka, 'di ba? Well, in fact, it is you that needs to heal muna, no, yung mga unprocessed emotions mo. Wow, spiritual awakening. Yung iba, maaring meron kayong bagong belief system, or you are enlightenment. Nagkakaroon ka ng enlightenment about doon sa pwedeng can be a belief system or yung pananaw mo sa buhay. Maaring may nagbabago for the better. Nagbabago yung pananaw mo sa pakikitungo mo sa ibang tao. You have the Chariot. Wow, this is about success. This is moving forward, moving on. I think yung iba sa inyo, you are motivated to achieve your goals, your dreams. Lalo na kung ito ay nagsisimula pa lang. You may have a new job, a new career, a new business. Pero once you really put your focus on it, trinabaho mo, merong success for you. You also have Two of Pentacles. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, ang pag-aalala ninyo is kung paano nyo pagsasabay-sabayin yung mga gusto nyong gawin sa buhay. Actually, kaya nyo. There's also someone in your life that will help you. Or, ito yung tipong sinasabi nila na, use your resources. Gamitin mo yung resources mo. Maging resourceful ka na kung may mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin sa ngayon, pwedeng mag-hire ka ng ibang tao to do some things for you para sa ibang bagay ka na makapag-focus, 'di ba? Talk less, feel more. Ito, yung sinasabi ko sa inyong emotional healing. You are connecting with your emotions. Maaring para sa iba, the more na sinasabi nyo yung nararamdaman nyo, might, work for you. But for some, mas maganda na mas mag-connect ka on a deeper level. Reflect on your priorities. Speak your world into being. So, if there's someone na meron ka mapagkakatiwalaan mo na kung saan makakapag-share ka ng nararamdaman mo, this will really help you manage your emotions, your feelings. And at the same time, meron ding tao na magbibigay sa'yo ng advice about your plans moving forward. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.